IT, Reema, so we won't let you go before talking about Infosys. And that was actually originally my question. You described the TCS expectations, but the real question is Infosys going to steal the thunder yet again this time around?
Well, they've done well for the last 4 quarters. This quarter, we're working with a dollar revenue growth of close to about 4%. Margins like TCS are likely to be under pressure on account of wage hike. So we're working with margins coming in at 23.8, 23.9%, which compares with 25.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. And on account of the lower margins, the profits too could be down by close to about 4%. As always, we'll watch for management commentary and FY17 guidance. As of now, their FY17 constant currency revenue growth guidance stands at 11.5 to 13.5%. Majority of the analysts in the street expect that to be maintained. There was a Nomura note which expected the guidance to be cut to 11 to 13% to factor in some near-term caution. What is the near-term caution? If you remember, the company in one of the conferences had indicated that they're seeing softer growth in their healthcare as well as the life sciences segment. It's not a huge one for the company, but they did talk about softer growth there. They also said that the hope of the recovery that they were expecting in insurance has not materialized. And thirdly, they've spoken that they're watchful of retail. So these are the three headwinds, not headwinds, but the notes of caution which the company had highlighted. And on top of that, you've also got a Brexit. What could do well for the company is if they manage to improve their total contract wins or deal wins. The company does want to target $1 billion on a quarterly basis. But if you see the stock performance, it's still the best performing IT stock in the last 1 year. Infosys has given returns of 24% up, while TCS has been absolutely flat. And if you look at the valuations now, it's catching up to TCS. So F517 PE for Infosys would be closer to 18%, while TCS would be closer to 18.5%. So now the gap between the two is not very high.
All right, Reema, thank you so much for all of that analysis on the IT.